doing much, but I am gonna put up a video this week. So I bought some cutoff wheels, and we're gonna cut this bracket right here so we can get this radiator hose to fit. I also got this radiator hose all hooked up right here. I'm looking into alternators right now. I was gonna do a one-wire alternator, but the pulley is a V-belt, and I'm running a serpentine belt. And like at O'Reilly's, for instance, if I want to get the actual pulley, it's like $114, while the alternator is only $50. So I don't really know what I'm gonna do on that yet. I gotta figure some stuff out. Maybe I'll just run a 3-wire or a 2-wire. Those are pretty simple too. All it is this one wire from the alternator to the power, which would charge, and then a dummy light, and I would put it in my like dash or my toggle panels or something like that. And all that does is turn on when it's not charging, and then turn off when it is charging. So that's still pretty simple. So I might just be doing that. I haven't hooked up the alternator relocation bracket, obviously. But the first thing I'm doing is I'm gonna start taking these bolts out. Yeah, I don't got any down there. So I'm going to take these 2 bolts out right now so I can get this all cut, because we don't want that anymore. And yeah, so let me get to that. Now got a pretty nice bracket, got little slivers right there, but that's fine. So now I'm going to install it again. Now you can immediately notice, how much cleaner. It looks a lot better. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take my radiator hose that I bought, my $27 fucking hose, and we're going to install it on there. I didn't grab caps, but I can't get this off, and I'm afraid of cracking the aluminum. So we're gonna put a cap on there, put a hose clamp on there. That's just for the heater core, anyways. And then I need to put a cap on this line right here, which I'm pretty sure is a overflow, or that might be for the heater core on the BMW. But yeah, that looks good, I think. But so I'm gonna start doing the hose. So there we go. I don't know if that's going to hit the hood or not. It shouldn't. But both radiator hoses are hooked up. So now we just have to plug off this little hose and that port right there. And we're going to hook up the water temp sensor gauge right now. And I believe that is going to be it for the cooling. All we're going to do is fill it up with coolant. I had to cut, it looks kind of janky, but I had to cut right here to get this cap on. So yeah, let's start hooking up the water temp sensor. And real quick, I went to O'Reilly's and I picked this up for 20 bucks. It's not a Bosch, but it's better than having that white one with the black gauge, because I kind of want to have all the gauges look almost the same. So this is a mechanical one, and yeah. There it is. I'm gonna have to retighten it, but it runs through. So I'm gonna like set it right here in my little spark plug wiring thing. So I have to tighten that yet, but the temp gauge is installed. And oh, there it is. So, like I said in the last video, they're not going to be staying here. I have some ABS plastic ordered. Actually, I have the ABS plastic ordered for the wiring. All this is going to get cleaned up. But we're going to order some more ABS plastic. Hole saw these in there. Get them all in there right. And then, yeah, that should do it. And then we're going to get a tech. And then I'm thinking about getting just a GPS speedometer, like I was saying. But we're gonna get some ABS plastic, and yeah. So I mean, cooling is pretty much all wrapped up, except for I need those small caps, like I was saying, right here, and then right down here. And then that's pretty boring, so I'm not gonna really show that. I'll show you when it's done, but that's gonna wrap it up for this week's video. I hope you guys like it. We get, like I said, all the wiring. 2 things came in out of everything. So the relays and then cross block, I think it's pretty what it's called. Those came in, so I'm just waiting on the other things, and we're gonna be doing another video of the wiring. So I hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe and comment. And if you guys know of like an alternator idea that I can run, that's going to make everything simple and stuff, let me know in the comments, and thank you for watching.